Glenn, we're here at Arnold Wragg in Sheffield. You're an AS9100 approved company, but what is it you make here?
Well, we manufacture first level safety critical fasteners. We are a turning and milling shop, predominantly turning. We manufacture a lot of the parts for aerospace, A-series, AGS, AS-series bolts and nuts.
And I know there's not many people who can actually make these in the UK.
No, there's not actually. I think we're a very small market, which helps us out quite a lot. So it's not that competitive.
So what type of machines have you got here?
We have got citizen slide head machines that makes predominantly the aerospace bolts, which is the A-series. We have Trobes that make the aerospace nuts, and we have Ardingers and a Haas on as made to order cell.
And I know coming here today, I expected to see lots of aerospace nuts. You obviously do a lot of aerospace work, but you do quite a lot of stuff that isn't aerospace as well.
Yes, we do. Well, we've got a made to order cell. We can go from 6 millibar right up to about 6 inch. We make bolts, nuts, washers, studs, anything really like that out of exotic materials. Anything from stainless steel up to A286, which is 660B.
I know we're nearing the end of 2018. You've got big plans for 2019. Can you just fill us in?
Yes, well, we've got a website coming up soon, which we're going to launch very shortly, which is very good. We're increasing capacity on our shop floor by about a third. Second shift will be coming on. We're going to try and reduce lead times by around about 30%.
So why are Arnold Wragg looking to reduce lead times?
Well, for customers that we do smaller batches with, we're aiming to get them parts to them a lot quicker to increase customer satisfaction and be more competitive with lead times. We're also aiming to become a bit of a stockist, get parts into stock so they can come straight off the shelf, which obviously reduces lead time then because there's no need to manufacture the parts.
So I understand you're inviting buyers on site as well to tap into some of your knowledge.
Yes, well, we're wanting to do buyer training days, which will be held on site at Arnold Wragg. This will teach buyers about all of the part codes and all of the manufacture processes we do, and why the lead times are what they are and why the prices are what they are.
And you're sales manager now. When we came here many years ago, you were just an apprentice.
Yes, I was. I was apprentice 5 years ago. I'm still here, and I'm made up to the sales manager, which is pretty good. Yeah.
So Liam, you're quality manager here at Arnold Wragg, and you've just gone through another successful AS9100 audit.
Yeah, that's correct. We've just transitioned from Rev C to Rev D now. So,
what does that mean?
Basically, the rules have changed slightly in the standards, so it's just another test. We've passed that now, so we're good to go again.
So what do you have to do here to get that sort of certification?
It's based on our quality management system. It's reviewed by an external body. They come in, check that we're actually up to standards for the aerospace, and if we're okay, then we get our certification.
And that's for AS9100. What happens if I'm just you're just making parts that don't need an aerospace certificate?
We can cater for anybody. Whether you're aerospace or not, we will happily make your parts, and we make them to the same standards as what we would do an aerospace part. We still use the same quality plans, we use the same quality management system, and we do it the exact same way as whether you were an aerospace part or just a commercial part.
So you make parts right first time, on time?
Yes, so that's our main focus, is for customer quality. So we want our parts to come through right from our departments and straight out the door, get the customer the parts as quick as possible.
And 2019 is expansion here at Arnold Wragg. How does that affect the quality department?
We'll be under a lot more pressure, I'm sure, but that's where the quality management system is key. We have to make sure that the parts that we are doing are right first time, and they come in plenty of time for us to check these parts. Our parts are verified at the beginning of the job before we even start production. Once they get the verification from one of our stamp holders, they are good to go. Once they are finished on production lines, we then stage inspect them if they're going out for any subcon processes like plating or NDT or anything like that. And when they come back again, they are inspected by one of our stamp holders, who can release them as a final, then get them to the customer as quick as possible. But the quality is key for us.